This truck, we build it specifically with a Caterpillar C16 engine. We wanted the C16 for this special truck. That stands for 16 liters and 600 horsepower and 2,050 torque. That's a beast in the industry. So this truck was ordered for a man named Bill Reams, a veteran of the industry and a war veteran. He was driving pretty much all his life until he retired, but he also outpaced all of the younger drivers in getting work done.
Dad built that truck for him because he was the top driver and decked it out to be a little bit more fun, the bigger engine, and then flew him up to the factory so they could watch it go down the line as it was built, which is really neat.
In fact, we have an award for our current drivers. If they are top production, they can earn high enough and get what we call the Bill Reams Award.
Bill Reams kind of embodied what it meant to be an American truck driver that went out and got the job done. When you look at what our mission statement is and what we try to achieve as a company and the way we try to put our beliefs in our truck drivers and how they drive the company, it stands for that.
After Bill's passing, we decided that this truck had served its duty, and now it's my truck to drive when I go on a load. As soon as I climb in the seat of this truck, I want to go for a drive. I want to take this, I want to take the biggest load we've got, and I want to take it wherever it's going. This truck with this engine just gives me such a confident feeling, and I can't describe it. If you're not a truck driver, I don't know if I can describe it.